Oje Nigeria before kikbana. Wa do hario wa. Dijo gwede monijia. Or osyo na uzi omoriji. Or dini no monji. So wala wo. Maya fefe ma watalo ma wagui. I was able to take well because of the GoFundMe. Where they gather for the burial. Say na easy. Omoriji na they want give the money to. Maybe now because of that one, now she no want release the pikin. No, I hear her now this morning. I say the money self, they go to easy Omoriji. Say na the girl mama, now the money they go to. Okay, for this one, I will come say na say the money no they go to easy, and easy say you want to take care of those children. Why not just let this girl take care of those children? Why una not let them? Thank you, God bless you for coming. You understand? I don't understand. No be say the money where they want gather now. Should they collect the money? No. All of follow the talk for Facebook. We don't follow the Roger Miller. Na easy Omoriji. Now we can be friend. Now we can 5 and 6. Una know whether since when she they travel go Nigeria. Say okay, I say get one pikin. Because I recent and I born this small Omomo joy. Una know whether a mother they follow and hold that children, that pikin. Why here? Where did you go domonji worry in Nigeria? Or easy Omoriji or go domonji worry anywhere? Wamaye? Wamaye then a year before or two not yakedo deba easy. Where nizik bow him? Wamaye no see. Ubaso I way yes, iye no. Iye no. And that's all around of the social media now. Iji ya weri ano yeme biyan veko, iye do amwe bogbi se kai. What's here? Since I wish you ije, dem nije sowe, na do are live video gen ati boniji. Etem no gba, we no mola dian, the social media no do amwe bogbe evi bioe. But since nania, odo dere ne vene nania, ever since na yale le gana consis dem. Awe no vie mogije, oye daji. Wa de le dina. Ogbene severi owe osab gamie we enisunu eleji na hia gbe gba ho mo a ewebo maje if easy not get concrete agreement with Sharon Kpame, go feel that pikin, no feel the drag with her mama. As far say all the money when they donate now, no one they go to that again account say go take care of those children. So one artist say maybe this girl get another thing when they get for inside. Another thing one I'll still consider, make una consider the age of Mama Sharon. Make una consider the age. Make una go look her last born, the age where her last born dey. Whether true say he go fit true carry those children. Those children not going to distract her because if this woman he get good relationship with those children or with that child because it was only one before she put to bed the last one. Una think say that pikin go reach easy hand. I don't understand una. Una think say to take care of pikin e dey easy. Momo ge no boy, momo gije no kwa. Wa we omona ma biela dia or easy na kokoa. To even go work for kindergarten self. It no dey easy to work for kindergarten. Talk less of pikin wey be say na infant. The baby is just an infant. A few weeks old baby. And this lady decided to take care of this baby. I'm not the same mugije. Or money na agwesha, or agwizi, or moruji. Does that mean we here or here seke no money, for example, a here set here? All of you the social media, we are not very close to them. The one we don't vex come talk to the woman anyhow. They don't vex because of pressure on their life. All of them can't beg the woman back. Yes, I support because she lost a great child. Even though it with mama no they play, you know me say as it not demo, me they see they insult mama joy. But when they say momo gije, he gonna wa donate easy wa hiamuna. Me we gonna wa donate ga cat easy wa donate yi or easy or create go for me. Thanks for coming. God bless you. Or easy or create go for me. Nu wa vigoji or say nu wanata we momo gije. Ever go for me nu wa vigoji. So why so again I even hire ya ti gba hormona he. Wama agreement in ya vije ragbo. If paravation we woman agele dey close to the of your energy ragbo keke nene no ragbo no yeve reva ni. The boy no ro. Ni at your kpame no ro. E wona iji and agele dey friendly to them. Can that one also support Asadas against her mother? Muna de tikamo. All of them are different country. Even na West data and not the same city with this woman. Una not know what they play. The only thing one I know say momo giye. Ti go attach you on nizikiamu. Just like we could have see where people see chat follow KO family. But after all set and done, she be almost millions of naira. Night choose promise they do Christmas birthday gift for Mebe. We go Nigeria. After all the political create content. So this one you're there now. Now abroad the demon I know. I will go marry Nigeria. If you don't get concrete solid agreement with parents, they not have to leave that picky for you. Because if their system say that their mama bring the call. If their system, except say you kick your yaviare or four, they let you kick your yaviare when you're benia. Italian system is there where a becani in having not a nonna, which is grandmother. They know. This woman I want to fight your she was never there, according to the people that have come out ever since. For this lady. Omareva according to. Now, ni budo we video I go honi gwan. But here I do beg of which I'm happy. Because of balovere je, bo mi memo kuno je. Igon wa donate easy wa hiamuna. Easy omoruji wa hiamuna. Ama igwena nena chioni. No mo gije ni jeme na mwigo. The same je shara wa yebe donate go nana. E go for me wa mula dia. E akate na je wa mula dia. The same ijeni na je shara pa me na. Ayebe donate na. So this is now we mo mula dia ya agba he mo na. Wa ma here where a solid agreement is between the late mother and the children concerning Izzy Ogbede. Izzy Omoruji. Me I don't understand. No fi jamais mu e yoto. Igon wa donate to a platform wa eta amu ne lady na. No ya gba he mo na. Wa ki si ayan we no ya gba he mo na he. Wa be consider ejo ni. Iye water ata wa gbe we ata wa gai. O ti fi bana wo ke wa ri jo bo gare no lare. Na vio ni. O ka ye no okpa no ka ni. Wa show money ga vele le roveya. Ono ka ane he. We gbok pa ni no ka before ke bi omomo. Wa show money ga vele le enwaveya. Ere no jeno ma aya le lo wa. Imo se mo pa ebo na. Ivi era me buri akenere na me ya le si ya avi bu me de. Iye do mu me de de esa mu me. Ve oboni ya mu ya enu. O ma mi buji ya yo bo mu ya se. So you understand, the money you guys are donating is not going to Sharon pocket. It's not going to easy pocket. Why are you guys still causing havoc? No more mortgage. Okay, me I know why. They got money or body fall you where easy marevani or we know what be money hospital about am I this your money so why on I go oba why are sagari or bani have your moria? Why are you platform wa sagari oba are obitali when you have your moria? Processing no. Adoba have we have your hana vore. Adoba we have your bagge. Iya omona adoba bag mami weto we. As far as money she no why they we bowani. The two of them can come together as one to take care of those children. Oh yeah, Eva. Yeah, tiko money. Ami woke. Our mama no marry any jogeni. Egeni jena ragbon. Oh yeah, ti yari no money. Iya ga serious ba because mama mi ni agben yoto. Ama different thing ahun ona ladia toran awe document okpa ladia ayari adege easy o ma solid lele e Sharon pa me washo was ti yari withdraw document ni no mo ma bia washo. So me I don't understand this matter. No one you let am go. Person when they talk about am I mu yoto am I mu yoto on wa gbe ni wa wu wa gbe gbije no do momo no ya momo ge no bioy no ya momo ge no bioy diti je ire we bogiwo deti je ire we bogiwo egena do atawe ijere we amame se no la no ya momo amame se no la no ya momo ye ni areba ha viomo but on no ka wo tiele lo wo na no ka wi jele le mona mona gwena then why we talking agbe money e hati kokian abi wa we mo izina kokove we bo e last one je sharo pa me unu poje for example wa ge do ko na yeseti no so momo abi wa momo de izina koko ado gba pampers ado gbeko e bi wa so do mu di are vai no ado my total ado my ohian ado my dosis. Do you think it's easy? Even easy no be chest na we agba oge wa so what easy Wama ge woman no age no je. If Sharon is about 30 something years, that woman supposed to be close to 60 years. A woman of 60 years at her age, or meva ya asile we boa. A meva no nwariya. The other one is just 2 years to goes to 3 years. Why the other one is infant, few weeks old. Unwa we no hold on 60 years yagba he money here. Or you never can hear you. Or the yo to maybe wo bibara se kaibo ega na agi need their assistance of here easier. And I give your money then you Sharon here. For example, okono the 60 years in your momo or if I to boyfriend the else le jelly leg back here 60 years my boyfriend. I don't understand now. Why are you guys doing this? The money guys you are donating your platform, you are not giving it to Sharon. You are not giving it to Easy to take care of the children. But na ya mwekpetu emi arowa na ya agba na ya he yuto owa koko vosie no mana he were be gbesa Ghana vosie if you with special Ian is able with special arrangement devil can see God. If Isis don't have a concrete solid or concrete agreement with Sharon Kpame, do you think that he will be telling people that he will not return that child? He will not return that child? I don't understand. Okay, how you are? Okay, ya can forever. Ijobo ga kokiya ni anwa. Enire ani yeguya. Eti yakweni omoruji. Ije bione. Ije mweni ne hospital. Ije kekpa. So that some name na ne oyereva. The same thing. Nana me wareba gaviemo. Areba gaviemo. Iya vie forever. On me kira reba kokimo se. Iya ga se 10 years ne yesin aye. Iya live life iya. Me mi mo na reba kokko ne bi yere kan. Areba kokke. From how many years to how many years? Omoni gi nware. Ogi se 10 years ne. Agi si ya na buje. Then agwana money re UK. So like it no hiwa easy kokko money o. Ije shadow kokko money o. Na kokko mwaka. Abi yo vero no atashi yo. There are other things no atashi you are. Or a go for me nuwa kokko na wa fi we geni ya oja. They go for me nano. All the tono mo sisu wa. Why am we go ni dey custody okay? Why am we going to dey custody okay? O ma be tori emi la dena okay okpa na baby food akan ade wa dozi go na ya de baby food o ma eno wa o ma de platform e la dia igo why kokona na ya mu ge na re wa na ya mu yoto no la pa e no wa gi kutana mugije lare that maybe a package o ku no say 60 years in there or no 60 years in there o kan do agbe papa sia o kan do apagbe momo a o kan do wo momo are kindergarten odo mo pa ye ko mo pa evagia me I don't understand now ave do momo we boa e mo na ye marie ni ne a before ye akekpa iye ne ne rinya ne ahoni ni ahoni wa na ya gba oge mo here wa ohun no wi agba ogo mo no ma bie wa ma ewe o me no seva ikuno seva wa ikon na koya mo na ma bia me ma understand wa eroje mi la o mo ni je eto via de America eto via de Canada iya yereva ni iya mi je no kwa ga yere ku gbe ye ko ke money se money nwa e money awon gigi je no kwa e money e ya e wo ke jin yiro na you no we gba o yan me ma me risi one wa daro bi sharo no we isi ogbede vi mo gije no kwa o tell me I know why at least sharo ragbon is do we Nigeria or travel ye the country or money to mule le gbe abi to se I know wa or money iya ara mi o ragbon or money ga me or such stay one night care easier. Ese I want to go and meet my grandma. Iyo de ndare akaza the nonna. Iyo ndare akaza the nonna. I don't understand you guys. The money you guys are donating is not going to easy pocket. Wama consider age woman na. Wama no e jogue over the last born no ponoje. Okono mome 18 years the last born, for example. Since I want me honey, Sharon maybe 30 something, maybe the other one maybe 30 something, maybe another not about 20 or 20 something. Marry do you think we will not feel money since 30 something years ago or 20 something years ago? Oh, with the best thing why of your maybe vane gear. And more, maybe we're not during 10 years in and I'm okay. Also, see ya papa si giga no one more. Also, see ya de magire next bus market. And maybe make a game man. I'll buy 9 years, I'll buy 10 years to 11 years. I just market ya make a shop you rene. I just market. Go and buy this, go and buy that. If I mention okay, this is where the beer. Ina ye beer by nekere. I has a till you bomb. I has a till you bomb. Money gear. Okpare 2 years. Okpare fant. Some weeks old. Wa wave your gije. Wa ma consider eje woman na. Wa ma consider obalo no hian aje wo okoke mona. O remember ijian. Wa ma consider. Wa ma woke. E mona na do bo ya gwe ni zije bana. Oya na me wi je ijian no bia oye gwe. O kwore ti pa we no ya tun yan. O ti we vi ade do to e. But wa gbinari agbe ya wa. They get na easy. Any concrete, solid, we have the agreement with each other. All a drag more. We know when we go for me, no why ye coco. Etu wa mune get no yak ba homo. Etu wa mune no yak ba homo. Uwa koke woman, why I we beria or a keredi yemu. Over ma return mo. O my I hear by masada woki. He gonna coke after hemuna. Love your mo. Oh. Where only one man in here conclude here, one man the next of key. Guaman in the Gannic Bay or where and I may river or telling a him say no certain of him, your young bar home, Bomame. Well, what have your gije? I may be a rove no women, Matthew no Maguna. I'm near rove no women, Matthew no one. I'm near rove no women, not say Matthew no one or raw. Woman no soon. If a boy no have a debate, we are wet here easy. No me want about her money. Woman where there's something fishy. A big boy, grown up boy like that. Woman where there's something fishy. So why are you guys only capitalize? Go and give the grandmother. Do you know how old is the grandmother? Do you guys know how old is she? Have you ever asked the woman, madame, la uru poje? Nu waga woke did your bonizi arene now do to warrant or ma warrant wa mai ara give your me vane ok by fant no banana o momole if fant if in back himself because 2 years old the other one just a some weeks old or you had that boyfriend they were silian legbe or boyfriend that had silian legbe o kuna woka e kan ne oviobi Guamaye nowhere, no Vienna, Aragon of Yaja, Nigeria, will travel different places. Dio, where Domoshi, Wanoenea. Wanoene Dio, or Jogeni, Dio Daji. You guys, have you asked? Have you considered to ask? No, all you know, return picking. Even though I tell people, calendar picking, they're not going to see them forever. They're going to take care of those children. So they are 18 years age. They leave them to go wherever they want to go. Niana so adaba viomo, he have you forever. Omoni gagba age no ya the boy wu. He see he mo wa no live life ama iwe omo no tian o tien vio oviedo. Akare ra kugbe ayo wokpa aegbe akedo pare. Why are other social media viomo gije. My sister wala wo, my brother wala wo. Wano holi nukbo noje. Wake awe no vyo mogije. Because on the stage, you know, my age na. Wegi asile mogia or no do ano so momo no do change the papasi. A papasi no change 18 years ago or 20 years ago. A go do change and no comfortable. Oh, what na ga ho mi wo. Don't have your gay. This ad says is never gbare will not have your gay. Don't it's a kind of guy movie. Maybe I do admit don't have your money get because you are gay. And maybe work past 10 years in and I'm okay. Go there. Soon. And this is Italy. Nana Fiemo. Italy. Or mama said 12 years in there at a boy school. Eye Jamie man 6 years in to be in school. On mama say 12 years in Italy, et a boy school. So why the only year make straight even on higher coco never now. Of your hair no nesage you, or we ain't here coco of your senior. Why do I love you? And it's no way I done way. A sit your payaji. A sit your payaji. Iye Sharon of what or ever. The same all of them day. If they gather head together, they can also take this church. Iye ko come ko kakugbe. Iye Sharon only they help. Do whatever well okay. No most of your gije. Iye Sharon you need they help with me vanning or yakokinya. Because I feel moving well para over. Ozaba the money away ban. Or how many years can I go here? Especially here and on the Wale. No green dog baji. Wala wo wa je nwe we ni any year wa gri why everything wherever one man no here easy onwo paro no huwe webo na wo toxi onwo paro na be wo bo no fun agbere webo na wo toxi iye mo so wo toxi na hemi na gbe agi muaze agi munu na wa go na mo bowo wa he do pa mo bowo u wa he tabi na we ai ke mo ho na rie Nigeria iya doleji iye iwo toxi a ayi what si na woke gemi ame no ni sekai ga hom yo gemi no gbu sekai wa wo we here dey top si lele a. So why are you guys causing havoc on social media? Why some of you guys wa me no te boni je media wa gbo le ni a wa me no te boni re media wa gbo le ni a. So wa love you just seven na wo si no wa na correct man te boni re video social media we ju na kege mo ebo igbe won hisi na me we e be woman akpa ne wa ma ezegbe na moyo to ne wa adage na amomona wa adage da amomona ani go wa be donate platform wa eye ni isi aka amwena wa hiro bi zero bi jeba abi wa wo oizi na yakoko mo a omunu gwa yu we bie ma izi we yakoko ma wo munu ma bie ama wo munu ma bie udo u kegbe bi kisunwe u kegbe filipoto sunwe udo change purpose. No mare kindergarten do mare kindergarten wala wo wa gbe nwan we biedo wa gbe nwan wa no ko na nu ponoje iye Sharon na wa no nu ponoje nu wa mo plus and minus nu wa ge we do se tigile gba ori bie kada eveva sesevese ve na de stress no ko ni ne na de stress ni iye Sharon wa no ami wo ko 50 years okay oye de young ami wo ko 55 years I mean, already close to 60 years. Do you think we're 60 years? Or the thing along Ukupe or me vanegege? As I walk by one on Harry P. Handine. We are to go 2 years when we are moving here. Eh, here, or 2 years, ye come. Tie a month or 2 years, you I bought 2 years, I buy Jeke. Am I woman to win what a week old? Wa sinya lege wa te bonne easy wa te ni je me na me we go no wado ne te e tori ekpa me we ru di go no wa na we kunu wado again am I wo masisi go no wado ne te na to wa mu ni ne yakoke mu ni emo mo gije no kwa o ma ye mu ge wo ma here where there is solid agreement between these two friends with Loragmo wo ma here very one mu dia na e o vie ro ho na koko o iwa seti ya mu Venena me we ma vi ya agreement okpa de makau yi ka demon jine Loragmo yi ya vio o wa easy o wa hata ma we easy okpa kan o se ne Sharon ya wala wo we do wala wa agbere hiwo wa be game e hete huoni e woman ni watana e money na agwe imi atamu okpa ni wa ma consider na e money vi Sharon na agwe ye Sharon no kwa every to han ya vi Sharon every blessed on haya vio because here or mi money or jinare or mi money or jinaro so avie e money ga we mi normal like or jinaro so avie but fine here cast kugbe they live it a separate way aga mewe money we gele guizi all the viehero all the calm down because or my kaka boy mi money e de no want say ke money jana le atun ya make ni zije iye wa le kukugbe or izi na le vian kin iye kukugbe. What if your mortgage? Imada sandu wa wala wo wagima alwe ere rohi magbese magate neso because I'm not para no ha do we review we bo wajina e we bo Italy Italo ha wazi gbe Italy ni ebo ni gwaliviere ni avio. Ebo ni gwaliviere ni avio. Iya si ne wa mai we wa go me beni yesa ni wo ragbon. Wa he o me beno sa. Abi go be don lade. You understand? You gonna do bo alade ni mo to kokiyan. You go ha kokiyan. You bagale baby food why ni go no hin. You bagale baby food why ni go no hin. Wanu una mo se awon baby food la. A sort of 6 months or 1 year. Bagolokba 35 euro, 40 euro. You be so fuck Bangalore a week, a month. Fuck Bangalore a month. Depend on monarchy. Wago baba, momogiye. Uwa is in the oni. Oh, no, he no wine a oni. Oh, it was in the me vanegi here. Wale. How do you think that woman will ever strong? She will ever strong to take care of those 2 children. Call you no give about him on me. Call you. Go for now strongly. No one still never here. I give you another kind of yourself because I give you more age in your go far. 50 years old. He's more than 50 years. How do you think that woman will cope for that 2 children without a happy hand of any person? Without happy hand of any person. You might understand why. I never think where I'm with 300 million euro. Nizi. Wow, Mugije. You hear no carry life for no living. The grandmother have a life no live. They can have life for no live, my people. I can want some money I want me where or money erove or here. You might understand. When we get to call you, thanks for coming. More than they consider age. More they consider age. Wage age okuni. They okuno se ti strong ikoko me vanegi no. Because not general na my say 6 years now. I may work over here about 10 years. Or Messi says like your hune 2 years. Mama dawa bi mama I say 2 months or I say 1 month. Uwa we no ya strong ikoko money. Uwa we no vienya money every time. Or here change papa so vienya. Or here khoya vienya ya. I don't understand una. Wa bokpa ave dwo momu le webo. Avec deux moments, il dit à l'homme ni yaou. Because si on m'a mis solid concret agreement, il y a sur moi ne Sharon Nizi. Young lady, non yo viare sur mon akoko. Wa matien bonnet, wa makba ene, wa de ciel les roloromene, wa kale si me be sifo. Go a give just promise, go a give carnival back. Go a sina. After all set on social media. She's promised use thousands of naira to celebrate my birthday in Nigeria. Mukated when I yagba or go via my hair, on my zama go via. On my z. E can whatever where, or muari webo, or muari webo, who have your money webo, ever not bonafo. Ever not bonafo. There are other things no ya guide money. So I don't understand. I'm not happy with again in Yavijeku. Okay, again, ni avije ku ovia oche no belevo wo be season ni avije wale noni oche sharo no bia na le wa ogbegbo friend je metero wa mai le no me ya etije wa no o meva ho iya gbiji aku wa mane mi no si e viomo gije o kome. No be mate no avene no kokeya. No be man no ane no keke. Again, I take it upon herself when you agba homo no see. She try. She tried because her grandma, she's no longer young. Iye Sharon. Or marry young. She cannot share those 2 children alone without a happy hand. Abiwa we are if you're a government talo dori ask girl nije no kan do help wa we do sunwa. Esunu. Maso no Germany na ne na de yobone a single mother. Am I where Italy never yobone aje ne mo na bieleva except few people. Mona say the chick to us now. Waga wa bia Okay, move forever. Okay, yare ni ejua. Those children are any ni ane iji akek ba. Are any ni ane. No John venira ne. They reclaim any asukpa mene. Omo money had decided so what according to before the incident. On the So de kene easy oge ya de rajiva na wa mewe momogije wa e dije aseti gba money a wa ti beta ba wa yo gba Sharon wa ma ona we to are 3 years vola webu awore 3 years very fija eje ya la webu o ma be o be koko money ne a woman so what say na we believe you want make aseti koko we Sharon to successful ekina ya si oviri so bara o waje if not why to man what you wakunu wakuya na kugbe ni agbagba remona in a good way ni mona awa agege no madagbon wakuya eva kugbe isi o moruji o kiye Sharon o wakuya kugbe na me wi agba koko money agare mi woke omona ogodona ale mi weekend ije na kwa dovio o beto ta kiye koko we kokeba ale pere dedia e o ga yo bono ko na bi amege ya wo be negbe wa magi no we unu pole Sharon gbe wa gbon no ya bi obi no joni o gare Nigeria di je no kwa do moji ne wori wa mai no je aiji mala wo ge gwi o e ga no we na ara gbon Sharon o gare Nigeria do no do no joni ji wa mai no why this your daji why idegede why de yene why twist there why ga na mewe why ga no sunu ma sunu de hari oba fiomo obie gon fiomo ovia do sesese nagba ku nagba re nagba wi owapa nagba we bi yakugbe owi akoko mo okine donata viomogije me I don't understand now mo na take easy o because this matter when I take so no work because if easy na mo ya vie money gi Sharon easy na gele mo when e down who one of your money gi Sharon Sharon ti gba ibekeva eje ohiane ehi omomo Sharon hi omomo eje ehiane nwala wo wa sofure mata na igo ni wadore tatu wa hamuni zi omoruji uwa gi dwaro wi je bana uwa gi dwaro we hi bana do akoko mono si o no ite pare to ehun no hi akoko mono ya we maybe wo ke yan gba ze gbi owere ori dedere dia o sa ba la o ga megere no we gege la o gun gba ri mo na eni je meje na se yo me si se yo me ni a ima do ti gun gba ko wa e de gbo ni ro wa e ya because I want do wa we webu. Anybody know the one or it's inside the shorting anybody can be next of key. On a wall ada your mortgage, not by lada, your mortgage. Where did you unu police? Where ne Sharon one way? Jeno wala wo unu poje. Unu poje, one or day 50 years or year, okay, day yogi, maybe or here, or day 40, 55, you know, or they close to 60 or 1 year. What am I knowing? E mona avio ge no waru we no 5 years iru we no 10 years iru we 2 years and few weeks wa wo kono pa ya ti no hia ya ti gba money here without stress hia ro ona iga wewe no pa wewe wo kan ya wi ya he don o mu na daji sisu wa isi gbina ni na wa season ni na ana imi wo ge na gele fi omo ge woman na ana imi wo pa wo kan ya we he o ga dere wo ke ona egbe masasa o dolo be kebe bedi akega he no pa wo wa e di senzi na havebu so wala wo ibe social media yo so ba mi wa because wa ni bu wono magisi no sinu si e wa ni booking wa gwe aro wa won ma na mi ya sopu he wagele mi jo no gele momo iji Sharon na gele are ba de Sharon we no ha bia ni omo bia no joni aho wi yo bia no joni gwe o ha do to yes osunu omo bia no joni de bo wa ni bi ije na we me wi ga mo me no onu pogeva o mi eme ona mo na agwa mo no do fi na mi na agwa before ke bi no pa ije money bu omojo ti ami o aye boni mana mi on bonus is there ana do me we ban fi jane e ba data vi mortgage okworu kisene ije re we bo van the city of a me wa ni jin city ije ke UK travel bu ya de vene you ni kokomo one of UK je na na ije ni kokomo one of UK wa mi jo he Why me Joria? Iya me Joria, why me ya? So akwa oropa so aba ma wa mi da egboku ni. Oropa we he amobi ya, Joria. Obi khani lele. Ele ni jia mi je no kwa kuse. Elele, awi je no e grand man ya lele. Womai no, aje Sharon lare, e mata ma wona ta, e gani Sharon ara gbon ha aje Nigeria, ha travel. Omona wa travel ga ni do no mwena adajine wa no ene a. Wa ne ye Sharon. No we me no me o izi odaji, wa mai no. Wa robi oge, robi se ko biere robi se ki je bae. Esa we go no kwa hia, no go no kwa hia mune, esa we maybe we wa get o wa mune easy. Mama Dara Sokoro, the editor Sokoro, you know what? Thanks for coming. God bless you, my beautiful sister. Wagi alwerere, ededo mahin, ededo mahin. Wagi ma alwerere. Wagi agunu bono konaje. Dego sati balabe e mone gege. E mone gege varo hanye vivieva. Do kona sati balamia. Oh, izi no yo gina no maile bia na no ede no yele forsa no yele ti. Oh, hati gba oge mona. Wama Eto ya gba ohin no ya hin he o ivedo na karitendo we no bioman no ane no koke no bioman no ane no koke oho ne nizi koke mo na do ga e lawyer le na Italy ayeta wi be Sharon ya hin ayeta wi Sharon ya hin ahia bi we oge mo na o ye wa do hin po ma we o e lawyer iwa no we o no pa doctor iwa no ma bege wa ma engineer o we Sharon na Sharon pa me o ko ni ne ni aha ya ge money aha go bizino wala ye do one nota say hello oh yeah eyan je ko bavan avec mon ça okay Dame ho, you know what? What am I? Yobo omoni okoke eti ami eto mi money ni. Ivie Sharon ye no. Dame ho, iya we no gomari e samu pa ma. O ga gbe kokko money yobo mu ni e va ti ve ko boku gbe go koke sister. E the same country yaje, the same city yaje. Iya e va ti ko boku gbe ye kokko money. Ona mi mo he now de mudane sister okay otado le nana iye na mi mo money ike bi nu pogeva abi degi ye Sharon lo ye gele rapport okay na me wo money ne kere ni few weeks to deliver or mono journey agwije or money agwije so that oga gi bie oh iya we kaina iya we Enita dame ho Sister dame ho. One no wona weke ege na ya me woje Nigeria ho wie wo ragbon. Di yo ha do moji no wie. Why no? Okay, dame ho mudane e lady na ona we ya me kokomo na. E to me eni for example, yo ha mwege ya kokomo. Yo conve no money. Okay, mudaya no otakpa sister Degi rene we bohiwo mudane degi rene bohiwo ige Nigeria jejewo wa haje iye ya muje ke Nigeria re Menu wata na why is nu why is it wait agaka mo again ayo tone sister ima eto ho na ima onwe ima eto ho na bet gwale hu dawe ho ijobi dawe ho my sister let me just tell you one thing ana momo na yo turn momo na yo turn this the mother will also go they will hear me hu si hu kugbe na ha ya gba ho mo na but ma mu ji ayo to igbi na voice social media again a presenter Eh? 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 Na vena. No pa vena. No pa viahwe. O ko tizi eh? Okay, we marry hona where a boyfriend yere ovie no bia na ale le boyfriend egbina. Go we se no na ale le boyfriend egbina. What see dating ageleku. Iji a hero word of fine. O me right no ya friend no bia no friend. Iji a hero word o me right no ya friend no bia no friend. What we se no we na ale lo egbina. Yes. You don't understand me. Although me, what did I talk so? Me why ovi men on married 2 years ago, he moko care sister. He moko care. But he repart of your hanity tomorrow. No ya wodo. Marry from back no, because I was just so close. Me ma walk one way me down. What I'm trying to say now where eke momo gije what gata we bury ane. Do you know where the Mujaneo Gweno Takba? Do you know where a woman you're very benia? You're very benia. Definitely you connect with that woman in any which way there it's a liver. A woman you right now ya donation. When you need over here, you need a job here. But the social media might settle okay, naked bishara, naked busy bija. Okay, or return money. Or return. Don't return money problem here because he may only a ladian mogige. Oramugiyene, glory be to God. Yes, Oramugiyene, glory be to God. I don't even know this woman from Adam. I don't know this woman. No, it's not. Thank God. Okay. Thank you. Oh, yeah, Hannah. Now. Damn it. Una age of Woni. Imagine Woni got 50 years by now. Maybe Wona make better. I know she's young. I get better feeling, you know, ma. Now, over your knock now, your canwa. Okay. No, the legacy, no, the water, damn it. My thought is okay. Damn it, my thought is okay. Since they already know now, both of them, which is the grandman and the friend, okay, Denise move on, Denise move on, not here. Oh, no, any at a money. I am not your idea. We are going to never know how this stress in again. Talemero, sister Mugiene, that me because me want to see me. I finish me video that Mugia or draw money. That Tomale Mugia, risking I because that's all loud. Ezo la ne ni ya we was a buy over or egbe eviere. Thank God on return that was what make it igwate. Ina yes na continue again I mean igbina life na if you mo gian because so ba ga me wa ko e amege no be gege yin do died. Understand? Maybe ni article because problem here since what return me might take me video na what return now I rest my case call you see. Nevertheless, ni aye kun kugbe, ya omo ni ye ni di jobo de jokpa ye ti kokiyan. Nya ya ni di jobo. Iye ni no ye fi money, ye ni di jobo easy. Because I am mo je school jobo no. I am mo area antenatal clinic na ya re vaseline o jobo no. Ehien wa ti asile me le vakin the street. God ye. No, as it is like this, I'm very okay. I'm very okay. Call you, Wesley. God bless you, man. Oh, bye-bye. Ciao. Okay. Since now they say they have already returned the child, glory be to God. Because if it were me also, I will still return that child. Because why? It been allowed. Ezo allowed. Osaga meba firafion oyi biekani awa making okede. So then when I return and it's just the best. So that she will have peace. She will have peace for the general public. Because sisters in marriage don't lie. Ni wa de kuba we mo mogi ya mama mogi ya do gbe egbera because now awon we agoma ko money na sira that sile egbe ya. She's returning okay. No problem. He no why mo higwe. Ogba okay. That is just it. So easy. If you still see this video, now your friend, she was your good friend for Ragmo. Una ye wade by no kwale koki money. You are also free. Edan ehem no sunu social media. Edan ehem bonati enwe. If you want to also go there to help the mother, no problem. Because omona ye avasi ne Ragmona. Omone gegelo hona koko. Except the way to ye gbo my bio money. Ona ye gbo my bio me can I work your 60 years bio money or mo eneleko. Almost away yagba. But now the mother also have her own life to live. Those children yagere. So if you also want to partake, no weapon you know why they bag who does say my dear. Edam him no soon social media. Edam he bonu emie. Edam he bonu seki ju emie. Ye me fa ne kawa no yagba ko money. Or say where ye dey ahogo be noje. Because of mona amweni ni ane. Uko ke o eto ami ani. Iji no why ko ke o e mi ani. Eni ri aro ne. O ye be ma. Because first we ate mu ne gbuwe. We no ma ye be tebe bi owo bowe. Wa ate ko korere. Especially amu egbe my sister. Because a more ya maizi na koko. E mo maizi ni mamuki na mai ni mayako kia he. Mai stress no le makia. Mai na ya adi hu watatabo. Ama e we. So my sister, we say, but nevertheless, if you want also join the grandmother to take care of this child, you are also free. Yes. Ye wo rock back ko mo. Rock back bi mo but rock back okay. You understand? So my people, let me read my case. A caller that just called told me that she have returned the child already. So I didn't see any video that I will come and make this video. Since I already returned the child, no cause for alarm. Glory be to God. So how about no beg with money? No beg with money Nigerian of what? Nigerian of Ametino, a team who work with no money. The money diagnosia. Runiwe nan nishi because you are my z. Because you know you're keeping my mama someone no ye give. Since you know one I saw bonnet. Monagu with diao. Kwa gba ore mona o ve no ave agba orin he go no ya agba orin e ya le we e ti mu wegbe no ave agba orin mona ijima e ya le we la wo e so no ri aroto wa sete between herself wala ho. Okay my lovely people, let me leave you guys. Mona share this video, follow this page for more updates.